Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple process of updating Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Keeping your browser up to date is essential for ensuring the best performance, compatibility with websites, and most importantly, security. Whether you're experiencing slow performance, strange glitches, or just want the latest features, updating Chrome is the quickest fix. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome like you normally would. Make sure you're connected to the internet before proceeding, as Chrome needs to check for updates online. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right. Go to Settings. In this menu, you'll see several options. On, and you will see the About Chrome menu. Tap on that. This will open a special settings page where Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. On the About Chrome page, you'll see Chrome begin checking for updates. If an update is available, it will automatically download and install it. You may see one of the following. Chrome is up to date, you're all set. Updating Google Chrome. Chrome is downloading the latest version. Update failed. This may indicate a connection issue or system setting problem. If the update installs successfully, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Just click the relaunch button, and Chrome will close and reopen, now fully updated. That's it. You now know how to update Chrome on Windows 11. Regular updates keep your browsing fast, safe, and compatible with modern websites. It only takes a minute, but it can save you from hours of troubleshooting later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Stay updated, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next guide.